today I have my special guest right over here. She's my best friend, and today we are planning to do a best friend tag, and we have a bunch of questions right over here. So we're gonna ask each other questions, and let's see. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Should we start?
Yeah. First question is, what is that one thing that you always have with you besides your phone, of course?
Okay, I'm gonna answer her part, and she's gonna answer my part.
It's like how well do we know each other? So
yes.
So the first question was, which is that one thing you always have with you besides your phone, because that's very, of course. Yeah.
My pen is not working.
Ready?
Yeah. It's glasses and earphones. And what is lip balm? Yeah, that is lip balm.
That's good. Okay, so 1.2
Each
both
one.
of us. Yeah.
Okay.
Go on with the second question.
Okay, what is your favorite movie? This is a difficult one. What's your favorite movie? I don't know.
Yeah, how do I even know what's your favorite movie? I don't think we've ever talked about your favorite movie.
I'm ready with my answer.
You're done? Ready?
कभी खुशी कभी गम and
Viva nahi.
You used to like it?
Yeah, I like watching it. I have like 50 favorite movies, yaar.
But you like this one with
ये
her.
तेरी सही है. ये
Ye
जवानी
Jawani. Kind of. Even I'm not
I don't
sure.
have a specific favorite movie, yaar. No one has a specific favorite movie. There are a bunch of movies I really like to watch.
I liked Kabir Singh.
Kabir Singh? हाँ, that's your favorite movie. मैं भूल गई पता है. Shit. Okay.
So our score is
I don't think you will get a point.
no.
Viva is not one. I like watching Viva, but
But you
Viva
told
is
me like earlier.
I like watching Viva, but it's not favorite movie.
Okay, it's 1-1 all.
ठीक है,
right?
चल ठीक.
So the next question is.
यार हम लोग ऐसे ही करते रह जाएंगे फिर चलते क्या just put it over here. Okay. What's your favorite TV show? ये तो तुझे पक्का पता होगा.
Yeah.
ये सबको पता है. If you know me, you know this thing very well. But
तेरा नहीं पता होगा.
तू देखती कब है यार? I don't know यार. I'll just give it a guess. Favorite TV show? I don't think we've ever talked about this.
I think I watched one, like all the seasons, and you know it.
I think क्योंकि सबका वही होता है. I think I might be wrong, but okay, let's see. Friends.
No, I never watched Friends.
है ना?
But it's Office for her.
हाँ, The Office.
I think क्या है? I think not a favorite TV show, but I watched Money Heist. Like
हाँ,
quite a lot.
Money Heist. Oh God, सच में
Yeah.
यार. मैं हार गई हूँ मेरा. So I don't have any point on this one.
Yeah, it's a 2-1.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna ask next question. A thing you dislike the most.
हाँ, मुझे पता है.
Like a relationship wise.
No, in general, like nothing based on a relationship or anything, but in general, one thing that I dislike the most. मैं देख रही हूँ यार, तू ऐसे करके करना अपना काम को.
It's a food eating habits. And what's your?
हाँ. Okay, so this matlab this is not OCD, matlab it's OCD. Anushka has like I really think that she has this kind of an OCD thing where she is like I don't know. इसको हम हर समय लगता है कि a particular thing should be in a particular order, kept in a particular way. Like there should be a particular thing जो हमें मतलब ये ऐसे है तो ये ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए, ये ऐसा नहीं है तो ये वो ऐसे कर देगी. So इसे ये चीज नहीं पसंद. Anything which is not organized, I think वो अनुष्का को नहीं पसंद.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's true. This one is also true. I hate when people make noises when they chew the food. Yum yum. I hate it.
Okay. So I
both of us get a point.
No, the total score.
I think
3, 2.
Yeah. चल ठीक है. What's the last? Okay, we have a bunch of questions left. So would you rather go on a trip with a group of unknown people or would you rather go alone? I think हम लोग ऐसे ही बता देते हैं ये वाला.
I think you would like to go with the unknown people more. Like you prefer.
मतलब 50-50.
I don't think so. You'll go alone.
मतलब I've always wanted to do a solo trip, but end में आके I always think कि मतलब I'll get cold feet like related to security कि मतलब डर है मतलब since you're a girl and then you're traveling alone, it's not very safe.
But you have traveled like quite
a
lot of times alone.
Yeah, but traveling alone is like fine. मतलब you have traveled alone, but you're going to a specific place, traveling alone, and then you're staying over there for like 3-4 days and staying alone. That is a different thing. I've traveled alone many times, but I think I would want to go on a trip, but I would rather want to go on a trip with a bunch of unknown people. I think that will be fun.
Yeah, that will be fun. I think both of us I really want to go on a solo trip.
Yeah, actually the thing is everyone wants to go on a solo trip. It's just everyone is a different person. और हम लोग ऐसा बोल लें कितना भी कि हमें सोलो ट्रिप पे जाना है, but at the end of the day it comes to security and then you're alone and then you're staying alone. The main thing is staying alone. So that is the different part and that's the most difficult part. You can travel alone but not like on a trip.
Okay, and the next question was, what is your weird habit?
अच्छा तू मेरी बता, मैं तेरी बताती हूँ.
Okay, she has like very impulsive nature and like if she wants to do this, she quickly get on the decision and later on she like regrets
it most of the time.
Yeah, regrets most of the time. So I think like it's not a weird habit, but it's just her nature that she can't help it.
I'm actually working on it, but it will take some time.
Yeah.
Work in progress. और तेरी weird habit मैं बताती हूँ. Weird habit of Anushka is she is a kind of a person who gets very hyper or very like into a particular thing कि मेरे को इतनी सी very small inconvenience will make her go crazy throughout the day, even throughout the week, even throughout the month. अगर इसको छोटी सी भी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो इसके बारे में इतना ज्यादा सोचती है. I don't know.
मतलब मैं अपने दिल पे जल्दी
मतलब I think कि तेरा नेचर ऐसा है. मतलब it's not your fault. I think कि तेरा नेचर ही ऐसा है, but it's okay. But इतना I am the kind of a person who is always supporting her because I am the kind of a person जो मैं इसको हर रोज every night कि अनुष्का तुम नहीं किया कर, इतना मत सोचा कर, ऐसा नहीं होता.
I think मतलब मैं अपने I get my emotions out like
very quickly and also like on a very small thing also because everyone is a different person. I think सबकी nature different होता है. छोटी छोटी बातें हम लोग मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि छोटी बातें इतनी bother नहीं करती, but अनुष्का को छोटी चीजें भी लगती है तो it's kind of a good thing also. Even if she feels small things on a very different level, but we don't. So it's good, but also it's not.
Time.
Yeah, because
for me it's not.
I think because for you obsessing over it is not good. So it's both the things actually.
Yeah. So the last is the happiest moment like for both of us. I think we can't judge like the entire life the happiest moment because we have quite many happiest
plenty of happy moments.
Like we can say in 1 year, like 2021 happiest moment.
2021.
You'll say about me and I'll say about you.
I think both of us getting a job.
Yeah.
Both of us getting a job was the happiest moment. Yeah,
Yes.
I think one was this, and also like half of the year is left, so we still can't decide. But actually, the most important thing and the most happiest moment of us that both of us are now having a job. We have some work to do, and finally, as a neighbor. Sorry. ऐसे नहीं बोलते कि हम लोग घर नहीं बैठ, because there are plenty of people who are just sitting at home, so we might hurt their feelings.
No, it's just like we can also be like that, but it just it makes us happy that we are doing some productive work.
हाँ, मतलब we are being productive in a different level because we have to. मतलब काम है तो करना ही है.
It's kind of nice.
Yeah.
I think
Okay,
it's
then.
done. If you like the video and if you like both of us talking, and please like it and please subscribe to
Like,
my
share,
channel.
and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
You know, she works really hard for this. Bye.
Thank you
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Bye.